how are you?
Oh, hello.
Nice
I'm
to meet
here.
you.
Nice
Good.
to meet you.
So my name's Chris. What's your name?
My name is Jinsy.
Jinsy.
Where are you
Cool.
from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, cool. Well, I live in Vietnam, so I'm in Hanoi.
Oh, you're in Vietnam right now?
Yep,
So how's Vietnam?
it's great.
Great.
Yeah, I think I've lived here a long time.
How long have you been in Vietnam?
I've been here for 6 years now, so
Wow, 6 years.
pretty long.
So you was in Hanoi.
Yep.
Have you ever traveled to another places in Vietnam?
Sure, I've been to many places. I haven't been everywhere, but I've been to the South and Central Vietnam, and a
So,
lot of places around Hanoi too.
oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Are you in?
I live
Where are
in
you?
Ho Chi Minh City now.
Oh, cool. Yep, I've been to Ho Chi Minh City maybe 5 or 6 times, something like.
5 or 6 times. So you was in Ho Chi Minh City for work or for travel?
Sometimes one or sometimes the other.
Oh, okay, I got
It
it.
depends.
Yeah.
Cool. Are you working in Ho Chi Minh City?
I am still a student.
Oh, okay.
I'm second year student in university.
Nice. What's your major?
And my major is human resource management.
Great. Do you think that after you graduate, you would like to work at a big company?
Sure.
Sure.
Yes.
And if your English is very good, you could work for an international company.
Yeah, I hope so. So how about you? So tutoring on Cambly is your part-time job, right?
That's right. Yeah.
So what's your job?
My full-time job is I run a small craft beer brewery in Hanoi. So we make beer.
You own a company?
Yep. Work for a company.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
Thank you. It's been a difficult experience because of COVID, but we're still okay.
Good for you.
Thank you. Well, your English is really good. I think you're a good listener, and you know a lot of nice, unique phrases. So that's good. Nice job.
Thank you, but actually my English is really bad. I have just a few vocabulary.
Well, what can I help you with? Like, when you signed up for Cambly, what did you feel like you need the most help in?
I think because I study with Vietnamese teacher. Yes, so whenever I talk to foreigners, I feel really shy and really nervous.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so I need to practice with foreigners. So
Sure.
which is my purpose here.
Okay. That part is easy. If you after 3 months on Cambly, it'll be super easy.
Super easy.
Yep, you won't be nervous anymore.
The first time I talk with a foreigner on Cambly, I feel very nervous and I don't know anything to talk. Yes, but now is my second month.
Cool.
Yes, I've been on Cambly for 2 months.
That's great.
And it's better now.
All right. Yeah, you didn't seem too nervous when I picked up the call. So, yeah,
yes.
Great.
How long have you been teaching on Cambly?
On Cambly, it's been almost 3 years now. Yeah.
3 years, really?
Yep.
Wow.
It's been great during COVID because sometimes I have to stay home and I can just teach on Cambly. So it's great.
Yeah, I understand.
super useful. I was lucky to start Cambly before COVID, so
Mm.
yeah. So
So
I
how
enjoy it.
about your family?
Hmm.
Like do you often go to visit your family in United Kingdom?
Well, I'm from America, but
Oh, I'm sorry.
United States, United States. Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay. Um, Unfortunately, I wanted to visit in 2020, but couldn't.
2020.
Yeah, I guess 2 years ago now.
Mm.
Um, I had a flight in April, and then the pandemic started in
Oh
March,
my
so it
god.
got canceled. So
Oh
very
my,
bad luck. Yeah,
oh my
I
god. I
know.
hope in the future.
I
In the
think this year. This
future.
year I will. Mhm.
Mm, this year, but the COVID is still.
Yeah.
Mm, but I hope you will be. You will.
Uh-huh.
You soon will. Yes.
You soon will have a chance, maybe.
Mm,
Or,
you
yeah.
soon have a chance.
Yes. You can say you soon will have a chance to do something.
Uh,
Um, or you could say, I'll type it for you too. You- Or you could just say, I hope you will have a chance soon.
mm, okay, I got it.
Both are okay. Yeah. Actually, the last one is probably more common. I hope you will have a chance soon.
Oh.
Mhm. Or an opportunity, or that kind of thing. Mhm.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
interesting.
sure. You're doing great though. So yeah, I'm sure I'll have a chance this year. Um, they started international flights again, so that's a good sign.
Mm,
Yeah. Now I think we can fly to Japan and a few other places. I'm not sure about America. I didn't read it, but I think soon I'll be able to visit.
yeah.
Mhm. Now, are you living alone in Ho Chi Minh City?
I live with my roommate,
Oh, cool.
friend.
Oh, good. So you have a friend there, but your family isn't with you. Are they back in your hometown?
Yes, my family is in Vũng Tàu,
Oh, cool. I've been
which
there.
to
Hmm.
Ho Chi Minh City. Really?
Just once. Yeah, I went for a couple of
Go-
days.
Went to the beach?
Went to the beach and hung out. Actually, I only stayed in Vũng Tàu for one day, but I was staying nearby in Baria, you know?
Oh, wow. Actually, I live near near Barrier. Then,
Oh, cool.
yes, is it right? Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah. I live nearer, you were really close. I live nearer to Baria than something else.
Yeah, I
Hmm.
live I live to I live nearer to Barrier than Vũng Tàu Beach.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. So I probably passed by your house. Yeah, but it's a nice area.
Mm,
Um, yeah. Are you going to go back for Lunar New Year, Ted?
I'm sorry.
Are
Go
you
back.
going go back to your hometown for Lunar New Year?
Oh yeah, sure.
Hmm. Cool.
Yes.
It's really early this year. It's coming in what, just 3 weeks?
Mm, on the first day, February.
Right.
Mm.
Hmm. So very soon. Um,
Have you
yeah.
been to a place named Dalat?
Dalat. I've been one time. Yep.
Really? Wow,
Yeah.
you everywhere in Vietnam.
Not everywhere, but a lot of places. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like Dalat, or what's your?
Yes.
Yeah.
Um, uh, we plan to travel to Dalat. Uh, next week.
Oh, cool.
Yes, I travel with my roommate.
Hmm. All right. It's going to be cold.
Yes. So I bought the clothes.
Good.
You know Shopee.
On Shopee? Yes, I use Shopee.
Yeah.
Got some nice warm clothes on Shopee, and now you're ready to go. Good.
One cloth.
Warm clothes.
A warm cloth. Yes.
Warm clothes. Sure. What are you going to do there in Dalat?
Explore Dalat, some places, and enjoy the food there.
Great.
So how was your experience on Dalat? Do you still
It was
remember?
fun. Yeah, I went in September, and it was like 40 degrees, really, really hot. And then, and then I went to Dalat, and it was like 16 degrees. Like, what is going on? It was cold.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Well,
weird.
that's so funny.
Yeah, it was surprising, but we had a good time. I think having a motorbike, if you can rent a motorbike or find a motorbike to drive, is very convenient.
Actually, there's some places that allow you to rent the motorbike.
Right.
Yeah, rent, right?
Rent. That's a good idea because you want to explore, and everything interesting is outside of the city. So
outside of the city. Oh yes.
You have to go to Langbiang Mountain, and I went up to a coffee farm, and I got to see how they grow coffee. That was cool because I like coffee. And
so can I call you a coffeeholic?
Yes, you can. I am a coffeeholic every day. Yep. So I had a lot of fun. You can go see the farms, and there are a lot of beautiful places to go, and waterfalls. Maybe pick some waterfalls to see. Definitely.
So did you go there with your friends or alone?
I went with a friend.
I see. Yeah.
And it's more fun if you go with your friend, then you have to agree on everything what you do. I guess a solo trip could be fun too, but going with a friend will be more fun.
Yeah, me too. I prefer go with my friends than by myself.
Sure. Especially if you go to a new place.
Yes. Did you listen to some story about the ghost in Dalat?
No. Wait, is
like,
it like what?
Like people always talk about ghosts in Dalat. That's when you go to Dalat and you will meet the ghosts.
Ooh, I didn't hear about the ghosts.
That's so scary.
I heard something different. I
it?
heard if you go to Dalat with your boyfriend or girlfriend, then you'll break up.
Yeah.
Right?
So was it become true?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Nope. So all good.
Yeah, like that the same like my brother, my elder brother has a girlfriend and they go to Dalat several times, but yeah, they're still doing well now.
Okay, so the story is not true. Then
so is that a rumor?
It's just a rumor.
Yeah, so it's a rumor.
Hopefully the ghosts are just a rumor too.
Mm.
Do you believe that there are ghosts?
I'm sorry?
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes, I believe in ghosts.
Well, be careful.
Yeah. So thumbs up now. And okay, so that was really great talking to you.
Yeah, good talking to you too, Jinsy. Maybe I'll see you again sometime.
Yeah, see you again. Thank you so much for this conversation. So your name is Chris J.
That's right. Chris is my first name. J is my initial of my last name. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can just call me Chris. Yeah.
Okay, so I can call you Chris. So bye.
Right. All right. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Bye.